I'm yours truly, Sir Ishaq Kwagala. Today I want to go through briefly what we call file and folder management. Action is done on a folder. How to organize files, how to organize folders. Remember, this is a skill which is so important in our exams. We are going to create subfolders, folders, delete them, rename them, and so much more. Remember, we are preparing for our exams. Point in the space. Right click, select new, then folder. Give this folder your name. Type the moment you see that blue highlight. Type your name clearly the way you wrote it in your academic documents. Give it a personal number. Ladies and gentlemen, we have created a folder. How do we open this folder? Select our folder, right click, choose open. That is one method. You can select it and double click. Double clicking means you press the left mouse button, press quickly, tap, double click. It is open. Or you select it on the keyboard, choose enter, press enter key. Our folder is open. We want now to create subfolders. A subfolder is a folder found inside the main folder. Remember, a folder is a collection of files. A subfolder also collects files. Point in the space inside your folder, right click, choose new, then you look for folder. Give this a name, for example, item 1. This is what you are calling numbering your work. If you're in A level, you can right click, choose new, select question 1, because for you call them questions. That's how we create subfolders. Proceed. To open this, the same way you open the folder, you can double click and open. Or you select it, press enter. Now, how do you create a file? For example, open item 1, point in the space inside item 1, right click, go to new, then choose maybe your file that you want to interact with is Microsoft Office Word. Select it, give this a name also. So we are naming our file. How to open this? You double click. The same way, the methods now, opening a file, opening a folder, opening a subfolder, it is the same. You can close. You can close it like that. Now, how do we delete a file? For example, this equation file, select it, right click, choose delete. You choose delete. Or select it and press delete button on the keyboard. Your file is deleted. How do you rename a file? Point at it and left click. By left clicking, you have chosen it, you've selected it. Then right click, go to rename. Among these options in the dialog box, you have what you call rename. So the moment you see the blue highlight, give it another name. This is now your name. You are renaming your folder, your file. Press enter. The file is renamed. How do you rename a folder? The same method. Select the folder, right click, rename. Give it another name. Question 2, 2, 4, enter. You have renamed. How do you delete a subfolder? Select this subfolder, right click, choose delete. The subfolder is deleted. How do you delete? How do you delete a folder? Select it, right click, delete. When you choose delete, it goes to the recycle bin. Assuming you had made a mistake, go back to the recycle bin, open it, and then choose this folder, restore. You restore it back here in case you've made a mistake. Remember, a recycle bin temporarily keeps deleted folders for a while. In the next video lesson, we are going to discuss the recycle bin. Thank you for following.